Hey mathematicians, welcome to part 2. For this part you are going to be classifying some shapes. So classifying them based on some characteristics that the shapes have. So you're going to watch this video, and once you're finished, click on this link to start your activity. Now make sure that you are adding this to your folder, so clicking on the move button and adding it to the correct folder. That is your hot topics folder. So I put it right there in the top for you. And then make sure where it says copy of, you're changing that to your name. So you're going to be looking at some shapes today, and you are going to be identifying how we could classify them. So each slide here kind of has a way that you could classify shapes, and you're going to take those shapes, much like you do on Dreambox, and identifying which category they belong in. So this first one is 2D shape or 3D shape. So what you're going to do is look at each shape here and identify, okay, does it have length and width, or length and width and height? So if it's a 2D shape, you're going to put it in the 2D section. If it's a 3D shape, you're going to put it in the 3D section. So you're going to classify these shapes how you think that they should be classified. And then by the time you're done, you should have all of these shapes in the correct box. So then you're going to move on to the next one, which says quadrilateral or something else. So you're going to be looking for shapes that are quadrilaterals, meaning they have 4 sides, and putting them here, and non-quadrilaterals, so shapes that have more or less than 4 sides, and putting them over here. Okay? Parallel lines, yes or no? Remember, these are shapes that have lines that will never run into each other. If they went on forever, they would never run into each other. So you're going to look at each shape, and if you can find a set of parallel lines, you're going to drag it into here. If you can't, then you drag it over into the blue. This next one is right angles. So if you find any right angles in the shape, then you're going to drag it over here. Oops. And if you cannot, then you're going to drag it into the blue. Okay. Now, here's a good one. Match the shape with the name. So you're going to see your octagon. Find the octagon and then drag it here. Find the trapezoid, drag it here. Okay. So you're going to drag them into the right spot. And then the final piece is you're going to draw a picture of the shape listed. So here, you're going to see circle. I want you to draw a picture. So what I want you to do is draw a picture on your table, take a picture of it, and then insert it here. Don't use the draw tool. I want you to actually draw a picture and take a picture of it. Okay? So once you finish that, you are going to be done with this rotation and ready to move on to the next part the next day. All right. Good luck.